If you've ever needed Excel to automatically restart numbering when a value changes, this quick Excel formula trick will save you a lot of time. This is great for things like employee records, invoice line items, order details, or any grouped data where you need a sequential number to restart on your spreadsheet. For example, here I have employee skills listed in Excel. Each employee can have multiple skills, and the database requires those skills to be numbered 1, 2, or 3, and so forth for each employee. Instead of manually resetting the numbers every time the employee changes, we can use a simple if formula that automatically restarts the sequence. Let me show you how it works. All right, so in this example, I have an employee ID column and a skill column, and we want to create that sequential skill number for each employee. The first thing we want to do is sort the data by employee ID number. So I can do that by coming up to the Data tab, click on Sort. I can sort by that employee ID number column and click OK. Or if I want to, I can also add filters, come up to the Filter button on that column, and sort smallest to largest. And the reason I want to sort by employee ID number is so that each employee's records stay grouped together. And so now in the first row of the numbering column, I'm just going to type 1. This will start the sequence for the first employee. Now in the next row, we'll create the formula that controls the numbering. I'm going to type equals if, open parentheses, and I'm going to say if this column here, which is the employee ID number in cell D3, equals the employee ID number above it, comma, then the value I want to put there is going to be this cell above plus 1. And then comma, if false, then I want the number to reset to 1. So I'm going to put a 1 there, close parentheses, and hit enter. Now that I have the if formula here, I can select that cell, come down to the bottom right corner for your fill handle, and double click, and it copies that formula all the way down. So now we can see, for example, employee number 9288 has skill number 1, 2, and 3, and then the next employee starts fresh with 1, 2. Now, if you're preparing this data for a database upload, it's often best to convert the formulas into values. So notice I still have all my formulas copied down into these cells, and I want those to be the value of the number before I upload to my database. I'm just going to come up here to the top, hit Control-C to copy, and Control-Shift-V to paste values. Now, if I select one of these cells, you'll notice that it's just the number value and no longer the formula in those cells. And that's a quick Excel trick for automatically restarting sequential numbers when a value changes. In my next video, you'll learn how to find duplicates using pivot tables and COUNTIF methods. If you found this video helpful, be sure and give it a thumbs up to like it, subscribe to my channel, and visit my website, SharonSmithHR.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.